that time again. Alright, so you haven't figured out by the ungodly time that I'm awake again. Going back out to fly with Lost Wing, which should be a lot of fun. I got some big planes back there. I got the quad, got the Mavic, I got everything. Hopefully it's coming out. But first, gotta stop for some gas and some breakfast. Alright, got breakfast. I'm heading out to the flying spot. Alright, going to prep the Mavic. Nothing like a $1,000 flying camera and some really fast wings in close proximity to each other. The shot should be pretty cool though. You'll see them now.
Falling, it comes and it goes like another wave. Someday I look up at you like a price to pay. Maybe I'll forget all that you have thrown away. Someday, someday, someday. Oh, why, when you fade, I fade away with you. Oh, why should I be gone away with you? Maybe I will forget it all like you. Someday, 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 someday.
Alright, what's up? Back with the vlog. Back in the car. Just finished up with Lost Wing. Really fun time. Hopefully the footage turned out well. That was fun to chase their wings with the Mavic. I haven't done that before. Not entirely sure what else I'm going to put in this vlog. I don't know what else I have today. Might be doing some more stuff in the front yard. And I'm going to try to fly with Jake later. So if that comes together, I will be putting it in the vlog. So, see ya. Alright, what's up? Back with a vlog. A lot of time has passed since I recorded the last bit. Did some work on the wings. It's just boring stuff, not worth putting in the vlog. But I'm going to fly the Defiant a little bit more, and we'll go from there. Alright, so quick update. I actually got out of the car, flew, came back into the car because Jake is going to try the Defiant, but of course I go fly one battery, not even flying that hard, go to land it, and the winglet just shears off on landing. That's my bad gluing, probably. So I'm running home, fixing the winglet, turning around, coming back here, meeting Jake back here in 13 minutes now. So I have 13 minutes to get home, fix the winglet, get back here. So yeah, I'll pick the vlog back up when I return. See ya. Alright, back with the vlog. Back at the field now. Wing is working, I think. We got Jake here. We got the Defiant. Maybe Jake will finally be able to fly the Defiant. Alright. Here's some footage. Alright, back with the vlog. So of course go home, fix the plane, you know, it's all good. Got the winglet back on, it's flying well. Get to the field for Jake to test it, and the goggles don't turn on. My goggle battery's been going weird for a while, so it's that, I'm pretty sure. The goggles are bricked, and I'm screwed. But I think it's the goggle battery, but that just sucks. This whole build is cursed. I mean, it flies really well, but it doesn't fly whenever anyone else needs to fly it. It only flies for me, so yeah, I'm gonna wrap the vlog up there. See you in the next one.